Number 7, human health and diseases. First of all, tell me, according to you, what is health? What is health? So in this chapter, we are going to learn about initially that's the early humor hypothesis, right? Humor hypothesis, maybe आपने सुना होगा Ayurveda, right? They believe in which one? They just check that whether we have, in Gujarati we call cough, pith and vayu. सुना है आपने? They check this thing, कि what kind of our system is there, and according to that they give treatment. So that is basically humor hypothesis. Which one? Humor. Humor in that actually the 4 kinds of fluids are there, right? 4 kinds of fluids are there. One is a blood in our body. Second is a phlegm, जो हमें cough होता है, that's the phlegm. Third, that is black bile, and the fourth is a yellow bile, right? Black bile and other is a which one? Yellow bile. So as if 4 generally the fluids are there that produced by our different system, and in that the balance should be occur. अगर वो imbalance हो जाते then the diseases occur, right? Basically ये जो black bile and the yellow bile है, right? ऐसा मे बी आपने सुना कि जिसकी पित्त की प्रकृति होती है, राइट? तो वो जनरली हाइपर ही रहते हैं, है ना, इन दैट वे. And generally they feel what? That's a fever because with bile form हो रहा है, right? In higher amount, जिसकी वजह से थर्मोमीटर में आप मेजर करोगे ना तो फीवर नहीं आएगा, but in that inside body you feel that internal fever is there, right? You feel fatigue, right? In digestion के problem and all this thing. So that is for the which one over here, this black bile and yellow bile में भी same होता है, just minor difference. Yellow bile जो होता है that we generally consider as a for the hot, जो मेन पित्त के लिए मैंने बोला. ब्लैक बाइल जो हम बोलते हैं वो ब्लैक बाइल जनरली प्रोड्यूस बाय दैट फ्लूइड बाय द किडनीज, राइट? एंड इन दैट ब्लैक बाइल व्हेन the level rises, then it causes, that is generally for that's a cold, that is for the which one? Cold, right? Dryness के लिए, cold के लिए. So दोनों के symptoms different है. बाइल हमें सिर्फ एक ही पता है ना, जो लीवर प्रोड्यूस करता है, बट आयुर्वेदा एंड दिस इनिशियल जो ह्यूमर हाइपोथेसिस था, राइट, फॉर ट्रीटमेंट टू गिव द ट्रीटमेंट, राइट, व्हेन दैट द पर्सन is feeling that's a not that's a comfortable, या feeling that's a fever या कुछ भी है, तो initial what's the which one over here? Humor hypothesis. Greek, you know biology in Greek, right? So earlier was the Greek thinkers are there, and basically for that, that's the Hippocrates. क्या नेम है? Hippocrates, right? Hippocrates जो होते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं फादर ऑफ मेडिसिन. ग्रीक के लिए बोलते हैं फादर ऑफ मेडिसिन, राइट? So early humor hypothesis, early medical system including Hippocrates in ancient Greece and Ayurveda in India believe that health was a balance of body fluid, right? अगर वो balance है हमारे में तीनों चीज, right now that's जो बोला ना, वात, पित्त and कफ basically, और fluid के reference में जाए then the black bile, yellow bile, then the phlegm and the which one? That is the blood, right? So this fluids basically we call humor. For instance, it was thought that an excess of black bile caused a hot personality meaning which one? Like a fever, right? That person feels always like a what? A person को fever है. And hot personality and fevers, an idea based purely on which one? Philosophical reflection rather than experimental proof, राइट? एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रूफ नहीं था कि जस्ट ये बॉडी में राइजेस होता है तो इससे फीवर जैसा फील होता है. दिस वाज द जस्ट हाइपोथेसिस, फिलोसॉफिकल थिंग, राइट? बट दिस थिंग वाज डिसअप्रूव्ड, राइट? डिसअप्रूव्ड बाय वन ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट, रिमेंबर हिज नेम, राइट? ये आपको इंट्रोडक्शन के पार्ट में दिया हुआ है, विलियम हार्वे. हाईलाइट दिस, विलियम हार्वे. William Harvey discovered the blood circulation, and through that experimental method, right, he suggested that this level rises does not, that's a fever, this thing, because ये जो fever बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, right? इसके बाद और एक डिस्कवरी हुई, that's the which one? हम फीवर आता है तो क्या यूज करते हैं? थर्मोमीटर, राइट? So the invention and the use of thermometer prove that individuals with which one? Black bile actually had normal body temperature, disproving the which one? Over here, disproving the humor hypothesis. So जो बोल रहे थे कि इनिशियल दैट्स वो इमेजिनेशन था, राइट, फिलोसॉफिकल था कि अगर बॉडी को स्टेबल रखना है, हेल्दी रखना है, तो ये 4 चीजें क्या होनी चाहिए? बैलेंस. आयुर्वेदा में वो है भी, एंड दैट इज ट्रू ऑल्सो, बट नॉट दैट इज लाइक दिस वन की ब्लैक बाइल जो है जिसकी वजह से वो फीवर जैसा फील हो रहा है, फीवर आता है, दैट इज रॉन्ग कंसेप्ट. बिकॉज जब टेम्परेचर राइट मेजर किया बाय यूजिंग व्हाट? थर्मोमीटर, देन बॉडी टेम्परेचर वाज नॉर्मल, राइट. So now the modern biological perspective is what? Modern biology links the mind, the nervous system, and the which one? Endocrine hormonal system and the immune system. This all things should be what? Strong. Your mental state, क्या लिखा है? Your mental state directly influence your physical health, right? That's the physical immune response and overall health. राइट. हम पहले से ही सोच रहे थे नहीं ये तो नहीं होगा, ये है, तो फिर बॉडी भी वैसे ही रिएक्ट करती है. Isn't it this thing? If you wish, you can do it, है ना? If you wish, then you can do it. If you wish कि ये टाइम मुझे इतना स्कोर करना ही है, then your body start working for that. But पहले से ही आप सोचोगे. That's why here mention which one? Our mental state affect our immune response, right? Remember our health, entire physical health. Clear? अगर पहले से माइंड से सोच लिया ये करना ही नहीं है तो बॉडी भी आपको वो सपोर्ट नहीं करेगी, वो नेगेटिव वाइब्स आते ही है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन, हेल्थ बेसिकली इट्स अ स्टेट ऑफ कंप्लीट व्हाट? फिजिकली फिट होना चाहिए, मेंटली एज वेल एज विच वन? सोशल वेलबींग. हमारा खुद का तो हेल्थ है, बट हाउ दैट्स हम कैसे दूसरे के साथ कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, राइट? दैट सोशल वेलबींग भी होना चाहिए. हम खुद के साथ अच्छे, दूसरे के साथ कुछ भी बोले और राइट ये सब करें, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर हेल्थ. क्लियर? सो health is a which one? A state of well-being in case of physical, mental, and the which one? Social well-being. Next, mind that is affected by the mainly 2 system. One is a neural system, other is a which one? Endocrine, and together they develop what? Immune system, and by that way we get better health. Right? So सिर्फ disease नहीं होना, it's not a health. राइट. डिसीज नहीं है फिर भी आपको कुछ भी काम नहीं करना है, ये है, तो वो हेल्थ, आप हेल्दी नहीं हो. समझ में आ रहा है? योर माइंड शुड बी स्ट्रांग, फिजिकली यू शुड बी स्ट्रांग, योर इम्यून सिस्टम शुड बी स्ट्रांग. दिस 3 systems work together and gives you better health, right? Next one, that 3 major factors are there which affecting the health. In that, the first one, that is the first one, that is the genetic disorders, right? Genetic disorders. In that, genetic disorder meaning what? Can you give me any example? Huh? Genetic disorders, have you learned? Sickle cell anemia, then color blindness. So basically can I say that by birth जो diseases होते हैं genetic है ना, जो genes आएंगे वही अगर mutated है तो cause what? Disease. So genetic disorder meaning what? Congenital disorder. Which word is there? Congenital. Congenital meaning what? By birth, right? So genetic disorders, they are inherited defects or the congenital deficiencies present from the birth. Second type of disorders जो major है, that is infections, right? So many pathogens are there which cause, when enter into our system, it cause what? That's a disease by disturbing our different organ systems. So it can be bacteria. Any example that any bacteria can infect us and cause disease? Malaria, it's not a bacteria. बोलिए, any example of bacteria? Okay, cholera वो disease हुआ, मैं बैक्टीरिया के लिए पूछ रही हूँ. Okay, Streptococcus pneumoniae, which cause what? Which cause pneumonia, right? Which cause pneumonia. Any other diseases name you know, which caused by bacteria? Correct. Other than that, diphtheria. Next, वही है ना? Plague. याद आया? This all are which one? Bacterial diseases. Next one, certain viruses are there. Any virus can affect. कौन सा? हाँ, other than corona. बोलिए, other than corona. हाँ? HIV, AIDS disease है. HIV is a virus. Next, herpes is also correct. Which one? Yes, adenovirus, respiratory disease के लिए. Good. Parasites. Parasite. Parasitic form. हाँ, मलेरिया में कौन सा बट? Plasmodium, right? Which one? Plasmodium. That cause which one? Plasmodium is what? Bacteria? Protozoan, right? Yes. हाँ, sporozoan stage वो correct है. Enter into our body and cause what? Diseases. Third is a which one? Our lifestyle, right? Lifestyle, daily habits, dietary choices, water quality, sleep, and the physical activity. This all things decides our health. Clear? So major factors affecting our health: genetic, infectious, and the which one? Our lifestyle. Next one, balanced diet, personal hygiene, even regular exercise are very important for the good health. Next, diseases, when the functioning of one or more organs or the system of the body is adversely affected, characterized by various signs and symptoms, we say that we are not healthy, that is we have what? Disease, right? कोई भी organ में कुछ भी आपको feel होता है that's a pain है या फिर swelling है, right? So that thing indicates what? That some disease occur, अगर symptoms आ रहे हैं, right? So that thing indicates कि we are suffering from any disease. Disease is basically infectious and the which one? Non-infectious. Infectious disease meaning when, right? That can I say that corona is a infectious, है ना? That can be spread through the contacts, right? So diseases which are easily transmitted from one person to another person, these are known as a which one? Infectious diseases. Example, can I consider AIDS is an AIDS belongs to which one? That STI, sexually transmitted infection. So even blood transfusion से भी होता है, infected blood transfusion से. Remember, है ना? If person is suffering from HIV infection और उसी का ही blood healthy person को transfuse करे, then that other person, healthy person also suffering from this AIDS. Second is a which one? Dengue. Dengue किससे होता है? मॉस्किटो से नहीं होता है. डेंगू किससे होता है? इट्स अ वायरस, राइट? डेंगी इज अ वायरल इन्फेक्शन. डेंगी, चिकनगुनिया वायरल इन्फेक्शन से होते हैं. एंड वो वायरस हमारे बॉडी में कौन लेके आता है? मॉस्किटोज. तो मॉस्किटोज आर एक्ट एज अ व्हाट? वेक्टर्स और कैरियर्स ओवर हियर. क्लियर? मॉस्किटो का नेम है एडिस इजिप्टी. विच वन? मॉस्किटो नेम इज अ विच वन? एडिस इजिप्टी. Scientific name, right? So that mosquito, if carry that virus, bite us, and then this virus enter into our system. डेंगू में मेन होता क्या है? मेन सिम्टम ऑफ डेंगू फीवर है ना. अदर देन दैट, फीवर तो कॉमन है. अदर देन दैट, प्लेटलेट्स नंबर डिक्रीज. प्लेटलेट्स नंबर रैपिडली डिक्रीज, राइट? प्लेटलेट्स नंबर रैपिडली डिक्रीज. अर्लियर आप फ्यू इयर्स बैक देखो ना, तब डेंगू जनरल, ये दिवाली का सीजन, दिवाली का जब टाइम है वहीं पे मॉस्किटो का सीजन स्टार्ट हो जाता है, राइट? एंड ये जो डेंगू है वो स्प्रेड होना स्टार्ट होता है. फ्यू इयर्स बैक व्हेन वी चेक, देन डेंगू की भी हमारे पास इफेक्टिव मेडिसिन नहीं थी, बट नाउअडेज वी हैव दैट इफेक्टिव मेडिसिन, राइट? द बेस्ट मेडिसिन, राइट? आयुर्वेदा या फिर आप एलोपैथिक में भी देखो, वहां पे रैपर पे भी लिखा होता है पपाया एक्सट्रैक्ट, राइट? पपाया लीफ एक्सट्रैक्ट. रिमेंबर, पपाया फ्रूट की बात नहीं कर रहे हो. विच वन? papaya leaf extract, it's the best medicine for this viral infection, right? Within 1 or 2 days, right, that person can that feel that's a healthy, fever down हो जाएगा, जो joints pain होते हैं वो भी कम हो जाएंगे, and platelets start which one increasing, right? So second is a dengue, third is a which one? Malaria भी infectious होगा, yes or no? Malaria है, protozoan, plasmodium, right? One mosquito है ना that bites to the person, which mosquito? Which mosquito? Female Anopheles. Which one? Female Anopheles mosquito when bite to the person who is suffering from which one? Malaria. So now that mosquito carry this plasmodium, and as and when it bites to any healthy person, it can transfer, right? So transfer हो रहा है either through the which one? That's the air droplets, है ना, जो common cold है, फ्लू होता है ये मॉनसून की सीजन में, है ना, वायरल इन्फेक्शन स्टार्ट, आज किसी एक को है तो नेक्स्ट डे नियर बाय जितने हैं वैसे. सो ये जो है आइदर थ्रू द विच वन ड्रॉपलेट्स अराइजिंग, सेकेंड दैट इज द विच वन ओवर हियर गिवन आइदर वेक्टर, है ना. सो दिस ऑल आर कंसिडर एज अ विच वन infectious diseases. Non-infectious do not spread from one person to another. Can I say that cancer is an infectious disease? No. So cancer, right? Majority death occur nowadays of the person due to this which one? Cancer. But it's not a infectious disease. And second is a which one? Anemia. Anemia meaning here that, remember, a different types of anemic condition is that किसी को suppose vitamin B12 की deficiency हो रहा है. Vitamin B12 is necessary for erythropoiesis process. Erythropoiesis meaning formation of RBC. अगर इसकी डेफिशिएंसी है तो नियर बाय कोई पर्सन होगा तो उसका भी B12 कम नहीं हो जाएगा, right? Person does not feel that's the which one? Anemic. So remember anemia है, then this that's a cancer. These are not the which type of diseases? Infectious. Clear? So first initial part in that we have learned that's the humor, right? Humor hypothesis given by the Greek thinkers Hippocrates, and our that's the Indian Ayurveda. Next one in that specifically they have mentioned which bile? Black bile. Black bile, that person feel what? That's a hot fever. But due to this thing happened, this was disapproved by one William Harvey ने जो blood circulation को study किया, and the second जो था that is thermometer. Person having rising, that's a black bile, but the temperature normal, right? Next one, that what is health in that? Three main things is there. One is a which one? Nervous system. Second, endocrine system. Third, immune system. And by this way, we can get the strong, better health. Next one, that remember infectious and non-infectious diseases. Which are the major factors which affect disease? Genetic, then infectious, next lifestyle, right? Next one, after that, infectious disease and non-infectious disease. Infectious में कौन से होंगे? जो spread होंगे या do not spread? Spread. But which cannot be able to spread, that's a which one? Non-infectious. Clear? यहाँ तक. Now the next one, that's the common diseases in human. First of all, diseases occurs, that is due to the जहाँ पे भी diseases है, meaning over there the pathogens are there. Which one is there? Pathogen. Pathogen cause what? Can I say that pest cause disease? Pest cause what? Damage. But pathogen cause what? Disease. Clear? Now, so pathogens, disease causing organisms are known as pathogens. Example, it can be bacteria, virus, fungi हो सकता है? Yes or no? Fungi is a pathogen? होता है हमें fungal infection? Yes or no? Right? So fungal infection, skin के generally क्या होते हैं? Fungal infections, right? So that is the which one? Pathogen. Protozoan, example? Plasmodium. Which one? Plasmodium. Second is a which one? Helminths. Escalmenthes. कौन से थे example? Roundworm, Ascaris, Wuchereria, है ना? So Ascaris से हमें होता है Ascariasis. Which one? Ascariasis, right? जो हम बोलते हैं ना छोटे बच्चे को कृमि होना, that is this Escherichiasis, right? Next one, second is a which one? Wuchereria. Wuchereria, that is basically cause elephantiasis, जिसको हम हाथी पगो बोलते हैं, elephantiasis, right? Limbs become swollen, looks like an elephant leg, right? So now pathogens की entry that can be possible into our system, either see ingestion, oral route, right? अगर हम कोई food ले रहे हैं which is in that, you know, housefly generally present, right? जहाँ पे सीवेज है, dirt, right? Over there this are present, and हमारा food open है, covered नहीं है, so that houseflies generally sit on that, that's जहाँ पे that's the dirt is there, sewage है, so over there this microorganism, that eggs are there, right? These eggs are carried into our food, and when we take this kind of food, हम बोलते हैं ना food poisoning हुआ या stomach infection है, intestinal infection है, तो ये किससे होता है? When we take, वो microscopic structure है, हमें दिखेगा भी नहीं, right? So generally हमें, अगर हम बाहर का भी फूड खा रहे हैं तो वो हमें कैसा लेना चाहिए? हॉट फूड लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे आते हैं, सो दिस ऑर्गेनिजम्स गेट किल्ड, राइट? बट एक बार बन गया और फिर उसको कवर नहीं किया, देन दैट हाउसफ्लाई सिट ओवर देयर, देन इट कैन अफेक्ट आवर हेल्थ, राइट? सो वन इज अ इंजेक्शन, अदर इज अ व्हिच वन? इनहेलेशन, राइट? जो रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम्स है, जनरली रेस्पिरेटरी डिसऑर्डर्स है, दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हिच वन? इनहेलेशन, right? Inhalation meaning what? Inhale, very good, right? So in that, the simple common cold है, influenza है, right? उसकी जो viruses है, when we inhale, right? जो person suffering from that common cold, and as and when that person sneeze out, right? Air droplets released outside, वो air droplets released होते हैं, उसमें so many this virus are there, and that we inhale. Other person inhale, that's why वो infectious भी है, yes or no, right? So that is inhalation route. Third is a which one? Physical contact, जैसे STI का है, sexually transmitted infection. Next one, multiplication, replicate within that, after entering into that host, it start growing what? First start doing what? Multiplication. Next one, disturb the normal vital biological activities, and by that way it cause both morphological and functionally harm. Pathogens must adapt to survive once the pathogen enter into our system, right? Our system has natural immunological responses, right? आप देखिए सलाइवा है, तो सलाइवा में एक होता है लाइसोजाइम. कौन सा एंजाइम होता है? Lysozyme, right? Which acts as an antibacterial agent. Lysozyme acts as an which one? Antibacterial agent. So lysozyme acts as an antibacterial agent, and so अगर हम कोई बैक्टीरिया फूड जो कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर बैक्टीरिया है, तो वो बैक्टीरिया यहाँ पे तो किल हो जाना चाहिए, बट सर्टेन बैक्टीरिया अडेप्टेड टुवर्ड्स दिस थिंग, राइट? फिर वही फूड तो हमारा स्टमक में जाता है. स्टमक में कौन सा मीडियम है? एसिड. Isn't it highly acidic or weak acidic? Low pH or high pH? Low pH. Which one? Low pH. 1.8 pH होता है, right? So low pH पे भी वो क्या होने चाहिए? Survive, right? Adapt होने चाहिए, तभी हमें infection हो सकता है. वो adapt है, that's why. अदरवाइज अगर उनमें ये एडेप्टेबिलिटी नहीं होती तो हमारा सिस्टम विदाउट टेकिंग मेडिसिन, राइट, उसको अपने आप किल कर देता. क्लियर? सो पैथोजेंस over here, remember, must adapt to survive inside the specific internal environment of the host. Example, अगर gut pathogen, alimentary canal के कोई pathogen है, so must tolerate the which pH? Low pH of stomach acid and resist that digestive enzymes. Clear? So these are the adaptability is needed. See, every day we are exposing towards so many microbes, right? But कुछ microbes ऐसे होंगे with the help of lysozyme they will kill, or by the stomach acids they will kill. But जो adapt हो गए, right, उसके लिए फिर हमें क्या लेना पड़ता है? Medicine, right? चलिए यहाँ तक कोई doubt? Anyone have a doubt?